A student of the University of Port Harcourt was yesterday killed during a protest within the school premises yesterday morning. The deceased is seen riddled with bullet holes in his torso. Earlier yesterday, angry students shut down the school as early as 5 a.m., protesting against an increase in fees and other levies. Hundreds of students blocked all entry and exit points within the institution, leaving the management and other students stranded.